Hello everyone, this is my oral presentation. My name is Andrea Catalina Barragan for English Level 2. First of all, I introduce myself. After that, I talk about my trip experience in Panama City. Then I talk about the weather in Panama City. And finish a recommendation if you go to Panama City. Stage 1. Introduce myself. My name is Catalina Barragan. I was born in Bogota. I also live in Bogota. I am an environmental engineer. I am married and I like riding motorcycle. I live with my family, my husband and my baby. I like reading the motorcycles and reading the books and stay time with my family. Stage 2. My trip experience in Panama City. Okay, I introduce you my experience of a trip in Panama City. My personal experience in the trip I made was absolutely wonderful because this city is very beautiful. I had the opportunity to know much of the place. The food is delicious. The weather is warm as I like it. The sea is great. Their lives are great friends which we had the opportunity to visit, and it was very nice with me. Recommendations to visit it. I recommend that you always try applying sunscreen to prevent skin burns. It's important to wear comfortable shoes, to walk a long distance, and to know as many places as possible. In case of carrying small children, I recommended that they take the medicines in case of pain and a stroller car so that the children are more comfortable in the routes. I recommended that in order to know the most of this country, it is important to make reservation at 2 hotels, one that is in the city and the other near the sea. The people to visit this country should always use a sufficient amount of sunscreen in areas exposed to the sun. You should always carry enough liquid because due to the sun you always feel very thirsty. You should wear comfortable clothes and shoes to walk long distance. It is important that you always get vaccinated against yellow fever before traveling to this country. The people to visit this place should increase efficiency. It should not last long periods exposed to the sun because they could suffer burns and can be very painful. People should not travel if they have not been vaccinated against yellow fever because they could get sick. People should not travel to this country without dollars because they will not have how to pay the items they want to buy. Stage 3. The weather on Panama City. The climate in Panama City is really fantastic. It is sunny and its temperature varies between 27 and 31 grades. Therefore, it is not as hot as other places where it is difficult to breathe. Stage 4. Recommendation if you go to Panama City. If you travel to Panama City, you should vaccinate against yellow fever. Bring a valid passport. Make reservation at a hotel in the city for a few days and the other days book at hotel near the sea. Wear steamy clothes because of the warm weather. Use sunscreen in areas exposed to the sun. Wear comfortable shoes to be able to walk and know as much as possible. What you shouldn't do. You shouldn't wear heels to get out. You should not wear warm clothes. You should not travel if you have not been vaccinated against yellow fever. You should not travel if you don't carry dollars to do your shopping. Bye.